Removing a bathroom exhaust fan cover with a built-in light is easy. And whether you need to take it down for cleaning or to change the light bulb, I'll show you exactly what you need to know. The fan cover is simply held in by spring-loaded clips. So grab the edges of the cover and gently pull it down until it stops. And these are the clips holding it onto the fan box. But what you want to do is squeeze the two sides together to release it. With this one down, I can give you a better angle on the other side when I detach it. Just squeeze so the hooks on the ends can slide out. My fan housing is made of plastic, but if you have a metal housing, the process is the same. The last step is to disconnect the wire harness which powers the light. My bathroom fan is really caked on with debris, so now is a great time to vacuum it out. With full access, I can really get in there and get all this stuff out. And looking at the fan cover, it's pretty bad as well. But once that's done, here's how to access the light bulb. On this model, I need to take out a single screw. And now I have access to the bulbs. Mine is a Panasonic bathroom fan, and yours will definitely look different, but replacing bulbs should be pretty straightforward at this point. Reinstalling the fan cover is easy. First, I'll reconnect the wiring harness. Then, just squeeze the clips and insert the ends back into the slots in the fan box. The tension from the clips will pull the cover up and hold it flush with the ceiling. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.